The 2025 Jeep Wrangler continues the legacy of its iconic predecessors, blending classic design with modern enhancements to cater to both off-road enthusiasts and urban drivers. Performance and powertrain. The Wrangler offers a variety of powertrains. 3.6-liter V6 engine. This standard engine delivers reliable performance suitable for daily commuting and light off-roading. 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, provides a balance between power and fuel efficiency, appealing to those seeking a more economical option. 6.4-liter V8 Rubicon 392, for those desiring high performance. This engine produces 470 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.2 seconds. However, it comes with a lower fuel economy of around 13 mpg city and 17 mpg highway. 4xe plug-in hybrid combines a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine with electric motors, offering a total of 375 horsepower and 470 lb-ft of torque. It provides up to 21 miles of electric-only range, making it suitable for short commutes. Off-road capability. The 2025 Wrangler maintains its reputation for exceptional off-road performance, featuring solid axles and high ground clearance, ensures durability and the ability to navigate rough terrains. Advanced 4WD systems includes options like the Rock-Track 4x4 system, enhancing traction and control on challenging surfaces. Specialized trims. The Rubicon trim offers features such as locking differentials, sway bar disconnects, and 33-inch all-terrain tires, further boosting its off-road prowess. Interior and technology. Inside, the Wrangler balances ruggedness with modern amenities. Infotainment system. A standard 12.3-inch touchscreen supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless smartphone integration. Material quality. Durable materials are used throughout, with options for leather upholstery in higher trims. Space. While front seating is generally comfortable, rear seating and cargo space can be limited, especially in the two-door models. Safety features. The 2025 model introduces enhanced safety measures, standard front and rear side curtain airbags, improves occupant protection in the event of a collision. Available driver assistance systems. Features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert are offered, depending on the trim level. Design and customization. The Wrangler's design remains true to its heritage, with removable doors and roof, allows for an open-air driving experience, a signature aspect of the Wrangler. New color options. The 2025 model introduces a military-inspired olive green paint, paying me